Go to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com and enter to win this beautiful 2024 BMW S1000RR by donating or buying the merch, and you're automatically entered to win it. I love when I'm in these streets and people run up on me and tell me I'm the realest in it. Yeah, let's go.
Remember this. Talking about that, tell them no go to the argument. Give me come take it, say this in a tech man. Boy, y'all go. Say you want to hear it. Always cash best. I see you over here peeking, bro. he tried to switch it off before I peeked at him. You can't do it though, it's too quick. I see you over there, brother. That's nice right there. Big body Beamer. BMW. Speaking of BMW, you want to enter to win this beautiful 2024 BMW S1000RR. Head over to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com. Donate or buy the merch, and you automatically enter to win it, man. That simple. What's up, bro? Alright. I like that. That's nice. Beauty. I'm not to say apology. No apology. That's a meanology. No apology, baby. He said, "Oh, he needs to apologize. He's looking that good." Nah, baby. What you doing, man? You can't stop here. Man, so happy, so thankful. be able to come through here consistently. All right, brother. All right. I see you over there peeking, baby. Yeah, that shit is dope. That is the best one I've seen. And the suit look good. Ski mask in there on the car seat.
Go to fullrpmeurope.squarespace.com and enter to win this bad girl right now.